Baccala fritto.
Baccala.
So,
Okay.
ingredients. Okay, so just cleaning up the pot. We have oil for frying. Now, this is a oleo de maize, which is corn oil.
Corn oil.
This is but it's a different, I mean, you can use, it depends on your preference. So you can use sunflower, vegetable, peanut, if you don't have an allergy. So it depends what oil for frying you prefer. Okay?
Take the pan of some oil.
So he's putting in that oil for frying into the pan.
For people, 1 liter.
Yeah, for the recipe, I think is 1 liter. So for a serving for 4 people, you put about a liter of oil for frying. Okay, so he's got that on now, on the induction.
Okay.
And the next step is you want to cut this baccala into bite-sized chunks. Good size chunks. So he's got some flour 00 here. This is important. The flour, so I'll wait till he's finished cutting it so you can see. So we just cut down the middle there. And he's doing good sized chunks. So the flour he's got here is not all-purpose flour. It's flour 00, which is very fine flour. This is for a couple of reasons, but one, so you actually don't want it to be too heavy. It's a nice light fry. There's actually very few things that are really heavily fried here. They often do like a very light, and especially because this, number one, it's seafood being fried, but secondly, you're going to do a beautiful drizzle of fresh lemon. So you don't want it too heavy. You want it nice and light and golden. So you'll see. So he's got the baccala in there. He's going to turn it around so they're both covered. They're all covered with the flour. Literally, this dish takes like 5 minutes to make. 5-10 minutes to make as soon as the oil is boiling. So again, like I said, quick and easy.
I prepared 1 dish with the paper.
So he's got here some serviettes. You can use some kitchen absorbing paper toweling, etc., whatever you prefer. So he's preparing that so it's going to absorb the oil after he's fried. This is a great spoon to drain the oil out once you're when you're frying. So he has this lettuce here that he likes to decorate. You can put a salad of anything you like, whatever you prefer. This is just for decoration, also to eat, that the baccala sits on once it's fried. Okay. Again, this is from our garden. That's why he's got it. The best lettuce. Now he's just cutting the lemon while he's waiting for the oil for frying to reach the frying point. He's just cutting some lemon. Always, this dish is served with wedges of lemon, and to your liking, you can squeeze on top, however much you like. Fire away if anyone's got any questions.
Yeah, because we're coming towards the end. Can we buy fresh cod to save time and not have to desalt the cod, or will it not taste the same?
No, we did. So we actually purchased ours today already that have been desalted at the pescaria.
Right.
So yes, yes, you can do that. You just need to ask in advance, obviously.
Okay. What's just one?
He just wants to show you one. So he's got now.
Right.
See that frying away?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so he's going to show you. He's putting them all in now, but he just wanted to show you one, and then he'll show you when he can tell when it's ready. Okay. So depending again on how big your pot is or your pan, and depending on how you're frying, how many pieces can go in at one time. It's also important, depending on how many people you're feeding, because you don't want to do it in too many batches, because this in particular is really, really good eaten as, you know, obviously not piping hot, but you want it hot.
Yeah.
So you don't want to be doing in too many batches of the frying. So he's using his, I don't know what the word is for this. Anyway, it's a spoon with holes in it. A slotted spoon, I think it's called. Just to give it a little stir and make sure. How long, quanto long does they?
When gold, I don't know, maybe 6, 7 minutes. You know,
Yeah, he said normally around 6, 7 minutes, but again, it depends on how thick your slices are. So he's done them relatively thick, but not chunky as such. So he said this should take around 6 minutes, 6, 7 minutes until it's ready. So I think it's one thing that's interesting is I actually, when he first made this, I thought that there was more to the frying, or like, you know, putting an egg in the flour, etc. Like a lot of different ways batters are made, but no, like I said before, it's very light. And you'll see, he's just going to show you how much he fries.
Yeah, do you have to turn the fish? Do you have to turn it or no? It's covered.
It's covered, but he still turns it.
Okay, you do.
But not a lot. Just, you know, like a couple of times.
Looks like our friend Ray is making it or doing something.
Really?
Yeah, let's get it on.
Oh, how cool.
I gotta find it.
okay. The time is to take outside with
Oh.
oil.
So there we have it. So there's 3 pieces.